How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And you see in my last video when I put my test pipe, I get some pop-ups, but while I driving I don't hear anything. I can hear the car is a little bit more louder, but the difference is not obvious. And I'm looking for pop-ups, I'm looking for backfire, and obviously this car is automatic, you guys already know. So why not going back to the loud exhaust? So in this video I'm not gonna go in full detail on how to install this. I have another video on when I go from this to the stock one, and I don't think it's necessary for you guys to see the whole deal. Okay, so test pipe is installed. I'm gonna put the link from that video in the description, and on this one I'm just gonna show you how it sounds after we put this exhaust. So I'm gonna start working on this one, guys, and let's get to it. So guys, as a disclaimer, if you're gonna work under your car, make sure that you have jack stands, and block your rear tires, or block whatever tires that are not on the air. It's recommended to use 4 jack stands, but if you can see, my driveway is kind of downhill, so it's really dangerous. If you don't have a flat surface, don't do it. Make sure that you have a flat surface to raise the car on the air so you can start working underneath. So as a disclaimer, be careful with what you do. If you not feel sure or you're not secure doing it, don't do it. And in this case I raised the front only because I was working on another video that probably you're gonna see that video first before this one. And the only thing that I need to do for this is, after the test pipe I have only 3 bolts. I had to remove those 3 and then start working my way out. So probably I'm just gonna remove those 3 bolts from the test pipe back, and then just I have a couple hangers. I'm gonna remove that one, that one, that one, and that one, and I'm gonna drop the whole system. And then I'm gonna put this one on, turn the car on, and see how it sounds. The exhaust is released from the car, and like I told you, 3 bolts after the test pipe, and then I just spray PB plaster in all the hanger mount, and everything came out really easy. So you just gotta remove the whole thing and put the new one. So there you have it. I just had to put this hanger on the new exhaust, and everything is free from the car. And this one, like you know, this stock muffler is really heavy. Hopefully this new system doesn't annoy me because it's pretty loud, especially now that we don't have this pipe. Hopefully I can handle it. But this one, the benefit is that this one is really light. Obviously this car keeps saying it's automatic, but we're gonna change that really soon. This is automatic vehicle, but still we're gonna be able to, near in the future, not too long from now, I want to get a 5-speed one, a proper one. So there you have it. Now I have to remove these bolts right here because I'm gonna use them. Okay guys, if you can see, we put all the hangers on place. Everything is tying them up on the back, and with this system it's really easy because it's light and it's on 3 pieces, so really easy. Hangers are in place on the exhaust too, right there. So exhaust is in place, and I just got to drop. I just removed my jack stand I just gotta drop the back, lift the car on the front, and so you can give me enough room to tighten up the 3 bolts after the test pipe, and then we are ready. System is ready, everything is installed, tighten them up, everything is secure, so we are ready. But I'm gonna start the car for the first time. This is a cold start, so for those headphone users, I'm gonna do a cold start. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty loud. Oh my god, I think it's way too much. Woo. So now we have a full aftermarket exhaust, from headers, downpipe, test pipe, mid pipe, all the way to the exhaust. Everything is aftermarket. Obviously, this is not street legal, so if you're not sure, don't do it, because I know that those headers, they're not legal to use on the streets, so don't do it if you're not sure. But you can tell how loud this is. So I just changed the oil. I make another video on that for the oil catch can and everything that I did. I'm gonna let the car warm up, get it ready to rev, and then when it's fully warm up, we'll see it will get pop-ups. Car is still not fully warm up, but let's hear it. You heard that, guys? So there you have it, guys. It's super loud, and I have those pop-ups. That's what I was looking for. So I know this is annoying for some people, but hey, anyways, this is what I like, this is what I do. But there you have it for this one. Another video on the exhaust. I'm kind of happy, but that's the reason why I removed this exhaust. You heard that vibration inside? Something is loose inside, so when the car idles, it just drives me nuts. But besides that, I'm gonna try to fix it, or maybe get another exhaust. But the car is ready. Full aftermarket exhaust, test pipe and everything. So I'm gonna drive it a little bit, and that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for subscribing. All the new people that subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. And I just wanna keep making more videos, guys. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.